Hey friends, it's Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Welcome back to Truth Bomb Tuesday, where I share one truth that can flip your thinking on its head. Here's today's truth bomb. Exercise does not drive fat loss. Food does. And I know, I heard, eat less, move more our whole lives. But the research is clear. Exercise burns calories. Yes, but it doesn't fix a broken metabolism. It doesn't undo processed food, seed oils, or carb overload. Here's today's nugget. Exercise is powerful, but for different reasons. It builds muscle, it improves insulin sensitivity, it strengthens bones, and it boosts your mood. But when it comes to fat loss, 80 to 90% of the results come from your diet. What you put in your mouth every single day. I can totally relate to this. I can tell you. I've seen people spend hours on the treadmill. I've spent hours on the treadmill, frustrated that they aren't losing weight because they're still fueling with bagels and soda. This was before I was low carb. And even when I was keto and I did treadmill, I was over exercising. Now, on the flip side, I've seen clients drop pounds without setting a foot in the gym. And that's what I did when I first started keto, just by changing what I eat. And it was just by changing the way they ate. The kitchen is where fat loss happens. So here's the truth bomb. You can't outrun a bad diet. If you want to lose fat, start by changing your plate. Once you're fueling properly, exercise becomes the accelerator, not the driver. And if you want a roadmap for building the fat-burning plate, grab my ebook, Keto Made Simple. It's in the link in the description. That's your Truth Bomb Tuesday. Exercise for health, eat for fat loss.